have to make $100. Yes, you heard it right. $100 per hour from this one website. How you can make really money faster. And definitely this one website will give you $100 for your opinion. All right, it is not just like you're just signing up for some survey sites. It is not at all a simple survey site. It is a focus group. All right, so before I give you more information, what you need to do is, if you have not subscribed to my channel, below this video you would find subscription button. Just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, because I make videos on a daily basis on how to make money online from different ways, both paid and free strategies. All right, so what at all is required? The first thing is you require is 1 to 2 hours per survey offer. Your opinion. All right, you require at least to give you 1 to 2 hours so that you can make that $100. Okay, so if you provide that 1 or 2 hours, you are going to make $100. Yes, $100 per call. All right, and you need to have consistency. Okay, and definitely you just require a mobile phone with an Wi-Fi or an internet speedy connections. And definitely this is a passive income you can add up and then when you are required for this. Definitely you won't be making anywhere between $10,000 or $20,000 a month or somewhere, but yes, if you get selected, you make per hour about $100. So it depends how consistently you work for those companies and how you get connected. Sometimes it might be weekly, twice, thrice, or sometimes monthly once, or sometimes bi-monthly once. So it depends upon what you provide them the information, what interest you have. As per that, they would be connecting with you. Yes, it is worldwide. Anybody on this earth can join this company, and yes, it's free to start. All right, and the next condition is what at all is not required. So why are these companies paying you so much of money, $100 per call? It's because it requires a genuine opinion. All right, the companies pays actually huge amount for feedback to improve their quality of the products and the services. Okay, but these companies pays just $100, but the company paid them a huge amount. All right, so what is not required? Number one thing is negativity. Definitely the negative energy is not required, because here if you do the work, if you provide your information, you definitely get paid, but you need to do a try. All right, and you don't require money for sure. You don't require any money to get started off, and of course you can start off with your mobile phone. So if you don't have a laptop, no problem, you have a mobile phone with a speedy internet connection. You can definitely start making money by doing a very small 1 to 2 hours work. So dive into the content. The company is called About Video Chat Network. All right, so what you need to do over here is you just need to go and sign up. And definitely this is a genuine company. You can see here real people, real insights, and real time. And you can see here all the top companies. Okay, you can see here all the top companies. They actually ask these company to get the opinion from the customers. So what you need to do over here is you just need to click on the sign up button, and you can even see what exactly you need to do. And they have a claim of $100 an hour, which is an average conversation rate. So if you get selected for more than an hour or 2 or 3, you get more paid as per the hour you are compensated. All right, so what you need to do is you just need to become a respondent, and within 24 hours to, I believe, 72 hours, if you are eligible, they get selected in. And what you need to do is, I'll just play a very small video. When this video is playing on, I just want to do.
We're Video Chat Network, and we need people like you to help us with consumer studies, and we'll pay you for it. We also need help finding more people like you. We'll pay you for that too. Do you have a webcam and a decent internet connection? Can you answer questions like, how well does your phone work? Or how often do you buy mouthwash? Because that's all there is to earning hundreds of dollars for participation in online studies. Plus, you could earn hundreds just by taking 5 minutes to sign up and share VCN with your friends.
So that's what you need to do it. All right, So you can see here there are 6 reasons to become a VCN member, Video Chat Network members. You get paid for the video chat, yes. So these members, they make around anywhere between $100 on an average for each video chat. So you just remember, in a day, if you can make about 2, you make minimum is $100 you get paid, similar to what you would paid in the focus groups. All right, so express your voice. You need to be yourself, right? Voice your thoughts on your favorite topics, products, and the brands. All right, so whatever you like, any fashion brands you like, or any products like a mouthwash, or any gels or something you like, or any topics like politics or business or finance, any topics you like, you just need to express that. All right, and they are like fun and convenient mobile app. Okay, so it's become more easier, and they even give you fun video assignments and question of the day for the chance to earn more dollar to share your input on some interesting topics. And you help their companies to improve their product and services which are developed, market, and advertised. All right, and along with it, you also get paid to refer your friends. All right, so you would get paid anywhere between $50 for their first chat your friends completes. Plus, your friend will earn an extra $25 behind the regular incentives. So it is just a very awesome opportunities, and definitely it is very easy to get started. You just need to have is an internet connection, a mobile device, or a computer with a webcam. All right, so if you want to make your life more different, then you need to just join this company. It's very simple. You just need to answer simple questions, whatever you like, you aim, and that's it. And once you get selected, you get paid as well to your, either they pay through card onto your, they wire you, or they usually pay through PayPal. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, below this video just comment if you have any questions. And if you are looking out to make money from ClickBank, I do have a course which have been started. All right, so this course where I talk about niche blogging, and which has all the information which you wanted to get started, which niche blogging with where we make money magnet sites, and I drive traffic from Bing. And this course is just for $97. And if you like it, you just check the information below this video. You'll find this information. And if you like my channel and the videos, just subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.